I'll just stop it. Last. Yeah. It's now recording. Now I'm going to call the candidate for coming for the interview. Yeah. Yeah. Now this is for, I'm waiting for a candidate to come for FCI interview. And in fact, this candidate is a very studious candidate who has answered all the questions correctly. Now I'm waiting for him to come. This is his name Saket. His name is Saket Kumar. Yeah. Oh, Saket has come. Hello. Good. Hello. Hello. Good evening, Saket. Hello. Good evening, Saket. Saket, good evening. Are you able to hear me? Hello. How are you?
Hello. Good
How are
evening,
you?
sir.
Good evening. Good
I'm
evening.
absolutely fine, sir.
Yeah,
I'm
first
absolutely
class.
fine.
Fine. Saket, you are from which state? You come from which state?
Sir, I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Jaipur, Rajasthan. So what is the degree you have done?
Sir, I am a BTech in Agriculture Engineering
Acha, good.
from Maharana Pratap University of Agriculture and Technology, Udaipur.
Very good. Which year did you complete it?
Sir, I have completed in 2018.
2018. Good. Excellent. In fact, I think I can ask more of agricultural based questions with you.
Yes,
Is it
sir,
not?
definitely.
Yeah. Yeah. In fact, I think whether you gave me or who gave me, I don't know. There is one material known as FCI capsule for interview. So what are the main objectives of our India's agricultural policy?
Yes, sir.
What are the main ideas of agricultural policy of our country? Can you tell me a few points? Not everything
Food
exactly.
policy.
Yeah.
The food policy.
Yeah. No, agricultural. Uh, important objectives of Indian agricultural policy. You have heard about it?
No, sir.
Raising the productivity of inputs.
I have
Ra-
studied about the national food policy.
Tell me about national food policy. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
national food
Yes, sir.
policy. Tell me.
The objective of national food policy
Yeah,
is to safeguarding the rights of farmers by providing the minimum support price
good.
and to maintain the optimum buffer stock for the time of crisis management, to
Okay,
stabilize the market price of the food grains by
okay,
providing the food grains at the subsidized rates to the below poverty line people.
okay. Good. Continue.
Yes, sir.
That's all. Okay. Here I find
Yes, sir.
many other points have been given. The objectives of important objectives of Indian agricultural policy: raising the productivity of inputs,
Yes, sir.
raising value added per hectare, protecting the interests of poor farmers,
Yes,
modernizing
sir.
agricultural sector, checking
Yes, sir.
environmental degradation, agricultural research and training, removing bureaucratic obstacles. So
Yes, sir.
whatever is difficult for us to follow, all those things they are telling must be implemented. Yeah. How is agriculture
Yes,
in
sir.
Rajasthan?
Sir, the main crops that are grown in Rajasthan are bajra in cereals and mustard and rapeseed. If we talk about oilseeds, Rajasthan is also
Okay.
famous for its wheat varieties, Raj 3077,
So wheat is
and
grown. Wheat
it
is
is
grown in Rajasthan.
wheat is also grown in the northern part of Rajasthan, which is Sri
Okay.
Ganganagar, Hanumangarh, which is
Oh,
close to Punjab. Though that region has the
oh.
most of the wheat
Wheat is
production.
grown. Wheat is grown. Good.
Yes, sir.
Wheat is also grown in Rajasthan. That's a really a news for me. I wasn't aware about it. Good.
Yes,
See,
sir.
what are the problems
It's
normally
on.
farmers face in Rajasthan?
Yes, sir. Sir, Rajasthan, the problem faces first of all, they don't get its enough price for their produce. The MSP is ensured by the government, but it's not implemented across the Rajasthan
Correct.
deep-rooted villages, and the storage problem which is also there, and also the cooperative structure of the Rajasthan agriculture farmers. It is also not that up to the
To be
standards.
improved. It requires improvement. Yeah. Good,
Yes,
good,
sir.
good.
Yes, sir.
Because while telling negative points, we have to be careful in wording it. Okay. Good. Very good. You told nicely.
Okay, sir.
Now let me ask you some questions. Are you a good manager?
Yes, sir.
Will
I
will you?
I know.
Yeah. Tell me. Will you become a good
Yes,
manager?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think I am perfect for this role as being a manager. I know all the roles and responsibilities of a technical field, and I am good with my communication skill. I have patience also, and I know the principles of management. So that's why I think I am a good candidate.
Can you please elaborate what are the principles of management you have in mind?
Yes, sir. Sir, if we talk in brief the principle of management in Hindi, we can say Shyam Dam Dand Ved, sir. Shyam Dam Dand Ved.
Oh,
It's a short principle of management.
what is that? Can you explain in English? Samadhana Danda. Correct, correct. Samadhana Danda means first you go peacefully.
Yes, sir.
Then second, you Dan means what? Dana. Second is
Dam means negotiation skills.
negotiation.
Negotiations.
Then Danda
Okay.
means hit. Correct?
Punishing.
Yeah. True, true. But
Yes,
in
sir.
the yeah, of course we have to be good. Now, are you what type of manager are you? Are you a X type of manager or Y type of manager? Have you heard about McGregor's theory and all? X theory, Y theory?
Mm,
No, you have
no,
not
sir. I
heard
have
about
not
it.
studied.
You don't
I have
know.
not
Very
studied
good.
that.
Very good. What are our basic needs? You must have studied in agriculture in your B Tech. What are the basic needs of a human being? What are the
Sir,
basic needs
food,
of a human being like you
food,
and me?
cloth, and shelter are the basic need of
Cloth.
food, cloth, and shelter.
Good. Food, cloth, and shelter. Once
Yes,
we
sir.
get that, what is the next step of requirement? After that, what do
Food.
we require?
Yes, sir. Food, cloth, and shelter. And after that, we need to build our home. We need to take care of our families.
Now,
And
actually, it goes like this. First, as you said, food, clothing, shelter, these are known as basic needs. And once
basic
that is
needs.
over, the next level of needs start. For example, we want to be included as a member of a group. We want to be recognized as a participant of a group. This sort of uh, need is also in us, and that is what is the next level. And once you reach that and all, further last level is self actualization, doing anything with perfection, with correction, within the time limit and all. How good are you in time management?
Yes, sir.
Are you good in
Yes,
time
sir.
management? Yeah.
Yes, sir. I have good time management skills also, sir. In my final year of study, when my project is going on, I was sick. I have chicken pox. So at the time of that,
Oh,
I have prepared my whole project in 1 month and submitted, and I also got good grades, sir. So that is one
excellent.
of my time management skills example.
Yeah. What are the normal time wasters in human beings? Have you heard of the concept time wasters? टाइम वेस्टर्स का मतलब
Time.
टाइम नष्ट हो जाता है, प्रॉपरली यूटिलाइज नहीं होता है. वो
Yes,
व्हाट
sir.
आर द थिंग्स दैट आर देयर इन.
Involve. Yes, sir. Involving in irrelevant arguments,
गुड
and
देन.
then, sir, Sir, I need to think about it more.
No, no. Actually, time. Let me just guide you because it's time.
Okay.
Not that I don't know, but let me get it in the proper form. Time
Yes,
wasters.
sir.
Uh, what are the here? It is giving. What are the 8 time wasters that kill our productivity? For example, constantly checking your emails. Okay, not automatic your
Okay.
automating your social media accounts, then bulky to-do
Yes, sir.
list,
Social media
having big
accounts. Okay.
lists, then multitasking. He says it is a time waster. Multitasking does not work. Then uh, yeah, yeah, this it. Likewise,
So
another
multitasking is also a trait.
pardon.
Multitasking can also be
Multitasking can
considered as
also
a trait,
be a
but
productive one.
if it is,
Yeah, it can be plus
yes,
one.
sir.
Here, one site says what are the time wasters? Facebook is a time waster. Photo taking, organizing, uploading and posting, time waster. Then memento gathering,
Sir,
personal.
if you are,
Yeah,
sir, if
yeah. Tell me.
sir, if we are indulging too much into the social media, so that is not good for us.
Yeah, good,
And if we are managing our time and giving at least 15 minutes in a day, so that's not something to bother about.
good. Too much exercise is also waste. Okay, too much exercise, then too
Yes,
much
sir.
of playing games, too much of television, too much of watching movies, then um, too much of YouTube, too much of going for a coffee, then being sick, having a feeling that one is sick. That is a time waster. Reading junky books, then
Yes, sir. But
yeah, but what do you say? But
yes, sir.
yeah, then shopping is
Sorry
also
to interrupt
time.
you, sir, but feeling sick is not in our hands.
Shopping is also time waste. Online shopping and too much organizing is a time waster. Can you tell me how too much organizing is a time waste? How too much time organizing?
Sir, if
Yeah,
sir, if we involve ourselves into too much organizing into stuff, we have constantly be worried about if everything is at right place or it is at right time or not. So that does keep us worrying all the time. So that needs to be ignored, sir.
correct. And that will take more of our say time and it will waste. And also some habits like talking over phone for a longer time, gossiping with people, and another
Gossiping.
important thing is procrastination. Have you heard about this term? Procrastination.
Yes,
सुना
sir.
है?
Procrastination.
सो
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन
Yes,
का
sir.
मतलब पोस्टपोनिंग. आज करने वाला कल करेगा, कल करने वाला परसों करेगा,
Yes, sir.
ऐसा पोस्टपोन करने वाला, that is.
Delaying.
Do you have that quality in you?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Do
at
you?
the end of the day, I don't like to keep my at the end of the day, I don't like to keep my work on my table. I like to finish all my work at the end of the day.
Then
I
the
don't
immediate answer for this should
like
have been, I
procrastinating.
don't have that quality. I do not postpone. Okay, good. That's
Yes, sir.
nice. You manage nicely. Good. You said you are a good manager. We have talked
Thank you,
about
sir.
time management also. So, supposing somebody refuses to work or refuses to fulfill the work allotted to him within the time given, how will you handle such a
Okay.
person? How will you handle?
Yes, sir. Sir, first of all, I'll call him and ask him that what is the problem, why didn't you completed this on time? So, and I will try to know that the exact reason was, and if he, and I try to judge myself that if he's correct with his or with his explanation or he's just making excuse. So I will look into that and submit my report as such.
Hmm.
And if it is not completed, I will assign that task to someone else who is more productive and do my work efficiently.
Very good. Good, good, good. Excellent. Now come to FCI. Please tell
Yes,
me
sir.
what all you know about FCI. I don't want to ask
Yes,
this
sir.
question, that question, and all. Whatever comes to your mind for about 5 minutes, tell me about FCI.
Yes, sir. Sir, FCI is a central nodal agency which is established in
Yeah.
1965. Presently, it is headquartered in New Delhi, and its basic objective is to procure food grains with some other state agencies,
Hmm.
prepare the optimum buffer stock for the time of crisis management, ensure the safeguarding interest of the farmers by providing the minimum support price. They also distribute. They also provide food grains to the lower section of society at a reasonable price through targeted public distribution system and public distribution system. So it is in one line I can say FCI is ensuring the food safety of our nation.
Very good. FCI is ensuring the food safety of our people. That's good. Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
What do
sir.
you know about Green Revolution?
Yes, sir. So Green Revolution, it is started after independence in 1965 by Mr. M.S. Swaminathan in our country. It was focused on the increase in production in wheat, rice, and with growing different varieties, dwarf varieties, and M.S. Swaminathan ji has a very key role in that. So that is all about
Very
Green Revolution. After
yeah,
that,
good,
the production in our country kept on increasing, sir.
good. The production is going on increasing. That is true.
Yes,
That's
sir.
because of various advanced, say, seeds, fertilizers, and so many other things we are using. Correct. Good, good, good.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell me about the?
After independence, we don't have enough food to feed our people, so that's why it is a very revolutionary step, sir.
It's a revolutionary thing, that system, that now from the stage of being shortage, now we are in a surplus position also. But one good thing
Yes, sir.
the government of India did this time, even under Corona, is that to see that agriculture is allowed to run as it is. Agriculture, it stopped, but the extent of stoppage for not much. It is still continuing so that it can feed the people. That is
Yes,
one
sir.
really good thing. Who are the important people connected with FCI?
Yes, sir. Sir, FCI, the main chairman and managing director is Shri D.V. Prasad, and it is divided into 5 zones. FCI zonal office,
Correct.
and the North Zone executive director is Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, IS. Uh, and I don't know about other zones executive
Other
director.
zones not required. Now, can you throw some
Yes,
light
sir.
about the laboratories, labs? There is some
Yes,
lab.
sir.
There is some lab I saw. What is that lab?
Yes, sir. There are
Tell me.
total 188 quality control labs in India.
Acha. Oh, oh.
Yes, sir. And
Okay.
there is one central lab which is IFS, which is in Gurugram, Haryana,
Okay. Good.
Indian Food Safety Institute.
Hmm. Good. Good. Now, can you tell me what is the main objectives of our Food Corporation of India?
Yes, sir.
That's a very
So the
basic question.
objective,
Yeah,
yes, sir. The objective is to safeguard the interest of farmers
yeah,
by giving them optimum price of their produce through minimum selling price, to
mm,
create a buffer stock for the time of crisis management,
mm,
to provide food grains to the poor section of society at a
mm,
very reasonable price through targeted public distribution system and public distribution system,
mm.
and to provide market
No,
stability in the
to
price of food
intervene in
grains.
market for price stabilization.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, I think you are appearing for quality control.
Yes, sir. Technical
Oh,
quality
so
control.
now tell me something about quality control. What do you know about quality control? What are the
Yes, sir.
extra points you have studied? Tell me. Quality
We need to
control, very important.
supervise the quality of the food grains. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We need to supervise the quality of the food grains at the time of procurement.
Mm.
At the time of procurement,
Yeah.
we need to note down their physical parameter, their moisture content, and see if the grains are of any fungal or mold infested. And after procuring, we need to store that food grains, and we need to ensure there also that the quality of the food grains will be remain intact, and we need to spray or fumigate the food grains time to time to keep their quality of the food grains intact. And through the movement also we need to coordinate with other managers, movement manager, depot manager. We have to coordinate with them to proper supply chain of FCI.
Good, 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 good. And under quality control and depot management, what are the points you would like to add? Under
Sir, depot manager,
yeah.
yes, sir. Sir, depot manager is type of a storekeeper post, sir. He need to do all the things of which is required in depot, keep like storing of the food grains and their operation in movement.
But he also has a
Operation,
responsibility
so
for
he needs
quality
to be
control.
there, checking everything all.
No. In what
Yes,
way
sir.
he can
They need
ensure
to work
quality
in
control?
coordination.
Yeah. In what way he can ensure quality control? Like arranging for food storage in a proper manner, such that
Yes, sir. Stacking in proper manner, and the maintenance of the godown, sir.
yeah,
Maintenance of godown is very important, sir.
maintenance of godown, such that it is not affected by water, it is not
Yes,
affected
sir.
by rodents, something like
Rodents, birds.
I don't know. So whatever it is, awesome,
Yes, sir.
patana hai. Good. So everybody has got a role in matter of maintaining quality control. So that is one good thing. Very good. So yeah, and also
Yeah. Also, sir, we need to coordinate with area general manager and general manager
yeah,
to submit the monthly technical quality report,
this
and we also
monthly
need to
returns, that's
implement.
important. Yeah, monthly
Yes, sir.
returns is important.
Yes,
Submission
sir.
of returns, that is very important. Good.
We need to
Otherwise,
guide our juniors QC
yeah,
staff, and we need to implement the headquarter and zonal office instruction as they mandate.
good. Why should we select you? Why
Yes,
should
sir.
we select
Sir,
you as a quality control manager?
sir, I know about all the roles and
Uh,
responsibilities
I
of
possess the
technical
required
manager. I have read the
qualifications.
manuals, and
You can add the point.
yes,
I
sir. I
possess the
possess the
required
required.
qualification. Then,
Yes, sir. I know about all the roles and responsibilities.
mm,
Apart from this, I am very flexible to work. I
mm,
have done my training in Assam, and also in my final year, I have been to various agriculture related institutes in
mm.
North India at different places. So I am adjusted everywhere. So it's not it's one of my trait. I have time management skill also,
Mm.
and I think I am perfect suitable for this job.
Avoid the word very. I'm a very liberal, something, very flexible. Very is not required. Then next
Okay,
point,
sir.
you can also add, I'm a good team player. I'm a leader also. I know how to get things done by the people.
Yes, sir.
I enjoy working with the people.
Yes, sir.
I enjoy motivating others,
Hmm.
and I do get motivating
Yes,
myself
sir.
frequently so that I achieve targets that are set for me. Good, very nice.
Yes,
I think
sir.
we have talked for about 20 minutes. Would you like to add some more points? Good. This is
Yes,
sufficient
sir.
for today. And yeah, in this,
Sir,
whatever, yeah,
I wanna say something, sir. Currently,
yeah,
I'm
tell
not
me.
preparing for this actually, sir, because I am halting my preparation right now because the date is very uncertain, sir. So it is a type of very impromptu conversation with you. I'm
Acha, you
having
said
right
you
now.
are not
It
prepared
is
fully.
totally unprepared. Yes, sir.
Oh, no, but I understand. But this itself is sufficient. Whatever you are told is more than sufficient. But इसका अंदर में और क्या? What are the difficult questions that can be asked? I don't know. Like in
It can
what
be
way?
related to my
Quality control.
studies,
Yeah, regarding your
my
studies. Yeah.
educational background, sir.
Yeah, educational background, there can be question. What are the you studied agricultural engineering? What are the main subjects you have in
Yes, sir.
mind when you remember about your degree?
Yes, sir. Sir, agriculture engineering we studied. It is basically divided into 4 big sections.
Oh,
First of all is soil and water conservation, where we studied all about soil and water conserving and how to increase the groundwater level. In second, we about food safety and processing. We learned about food safety standards and how to process and give optimum price for the produce and
good.
maximize the profits. And third is renewable energy section, where we can
Oh, good. Renewable energy.
where we
Yeah,
studied about the renewable energy.
good.
Yes, sir. And fourth one is the farm power sector, in which we learned about the agriculture mechanization and how we
Oh,
can help to increase the farmer their production.
now the reason why full mechanization is not possible in our country is because the lands are all small, small lands. They don't have big
Yes, sir.
lands,
It's very fragmented. Yes, sir.
fragmented. That is the reason. Whereas in the foreign countries, one, the area is so big and the farmer has a tractor, everything, and he is able to get things done. Good. Very nice. You talk nicely. Would you like to tell something more? I enjoyed talking to you. 20 minutes. Super.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
9
sir.
out of 9 out of 10. 1 mark I have reduced for your
Thank you very much, sir.
1 mark I have reduced for your Dadi and all that. Good. I am really thankful to you because you are the first candidate who came to me for FCI. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Either
yes,
you
sir.
came to me or I approached you. I don't know. That
I
happened.
have came to you
That happened somewhere in
through the
July.
lectures.
That
Uh,
was in July or so.
yes,
Huh?
sir. At the time when the result came, so I prepared at
Oh,
that time.
yeah,
So
that was
I
much
wanted to
before.
give my interview.
That was much before 11th July. Uska pahle.
Yes, sir.
Somewhere
Yes,
around
sir.
10th July or so. Good. So very nice. You talked nicely at that time. Yeah, we did not have the Zoom and all that. You did very well. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. Thank you,
Best
sir.
wishes. I wanted
Thank
these
you.
things to go to other candidates. That is the reason why I recorded this.
Sure,
Okay.
sir. Sure.
Best wishes. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Thank you for your time, sir.
I'll post this in YouTube and you can see it automatically. You are subscribed to my channel. Otherwise, I will send the link to you.
Yes, sir.
I will
I
send
have
the link.
subscribed, sir.
You are subscribed. Very good. Best
Yes, sir.
wishes.
Thank you,
That you
sir.
are
Thank
done
you for your
very well.
time.
9 out of 10. God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.